This is the UTG shotgun. I don't know what the rest of it is, but we will be shooting 3 cans. It is a multi-shot shotgun, and I don't know what the FPS is. I think like 300, right, Don?
270.
Oh, 270. Ready? Oh, God. And it's out. And the damage was pretty bad, I guess you could say. It's like all deformed and stuff. And it went right through this. And thanks for looking at this. I love it. I strung like a bunch of lacrosse heads for him, and he gave me this shotgun. So, hope you liked it. Look at his videos and my videos, I think. I forget your username, whatever it is.
Yeah. Freaky Fred 3D X-Men 41.
And his is Desert Man, the kid who's holding the camera. So, yeah. Look at the videos and subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice day.